Whee! But we thought I saw something just need to confirm. Bad skill checks. Shane, thank you for. But they'll be drinking the chlorine. Sipping on straight chlorine. That's called singing. For work. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. You back the fuck up. You back the fuck up. I'm scary. I'm scary and terrifying. I'm scary and terrifying. And you know what? That's how you intimidate a pig. That's how. No, I want to go look for secrets. Oh, it's like worms. Worms. Wiggly fucking worms. Let's go. Crambango! Oh, what? Wait, what? What? Why? Who did that? It's weird. Toads. What? That's like the. What is that? What? Give me free money. I didn't get scared. It jumped towards me. I definitely didn't get scared by the ragdoll and then immediately scared by the ragdoll again when I was pointing out that I got scared by the ragdoll. That piece. Roar! This is bullying! At the Shrine of Dead Space! It's still alive! It's still alive! It's still alive! It's still alive! Holy shit!
Blood for the blood card, blood for the
blood guy, skull for the skull throne! Oh, I hate it! I hate it! I don't want to know what it is! I don't want to know what it is! I don't want to know what it is! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, that was awful! That was awful! Why? What was that? Hello? I just saw something shoot out from under the car. Hello? Y'all saw that, right? What was that? Clipping? Don't clip that!